my name is Lilibet Hong, South Korea, Hansalot. To those who don't know me, I am Lilibet Hong in Facebook. Yeah. I came from Philippines, and yeah, I'm married with my wonderful Korean husband, and I have 3 sons. I live here for 23 years. Yes, and I joined Atomy because I have a dream. I have a dream to become rich. Oh my gosh. Yeah, but first, we need to study the marketing plan, the products, and the owner of Atomy. The owner of Atomy is Park Han-gil. He is a Korean man. And the products are so nice, so good. And it's cheap, not that so expensive. And you need to change your mark if you want to be successful, no, in this business, because you know that is the requirements. Yeah, you need to change the products, everything. You can use your toothbrush, toothpaste, shampoo, pino, everything here. Wajangpum, everything. We have here everything. Toothpaste, juice, everything. You can use we have also this one, kitten, everything. And we have also kodungo, fish, everything, panchan, everything in Korea. Because we have Aza Mall in Atomy, and you have, if you purchase, you can have points. Yeah, and we have also this one. Oh my god, this is very delicious and very, very nice. Organic from, yeah. See this one? This is so very nice. And we have that also. Everything. Himohim, Hongsam, yeah, shampoo. See this one? Imagine if you have 1,000 members and they change their mark at home, you can earn money. Lots of money. Everything. Lipstick, everything. This is cleansing foam cleanser, filling gel, peel-off mask, and lip cleanser at night. Yeah, you can use everything. And we have also detergent and softener here. Yeah, oh my gosh. And yeah, this is toothpaste. There are many kinds of toothpaste. We have also, bye bye.